Lettuce grow with me, Kratky Hydroponics made easy. What's up everybody? It's Plug Hydroponics by Plantbox and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into how to grow crispy, delicious lettuce using the Kratky method and the Kratky system by Plantbox Innovation. Location, picking the perfect spot. First things first, we got to figure out where our lettuce is going to call home. Make sure that the space have access to sunlight, 6 HRS minimum per day. The beauty of the Kratky method is its simplicity. No fancy pumps, just sunlight and nutrient-rich water. Look for a spot with at least 6 hours of direct sunlight, like a south-facing window or sunny balcony. Make sure you've got enough space for the system and a little wiggle room for growth. Cocoa what? Finding the right substrate. In hydroponics, we use cocoa peat instead of soil. As a network, we support coconut farmers through minimizing waste through converting this into a substrate. It's made from coconut husks and is perfect for holding moisture. You can find cocoa peat at local garden centers or online. If you're in the Philippines, you may get in touch with Plantbox team. The power of plug nut soil feeding your lettuce like a pro, regardless of your level of experience. Now that we've got the lettuce's house and bed sorted, it's time to talk about nutrient source for our lettuce. We're using plug nut soil by Plantbox Innovation, a nutrient solution packed with essential elements for your plants. The magic ratio, mixing your plug nut soil concoction. Grab your plug nut soil bottles, set A and set B. Mix 2.5 milliliters from each set into a liter of water. Using the correct ratio ensures our lettuce gets the perfect balance of nutrients. Germination station, giving those seeds a head start. Before introducing our lettuce seeds to the Kratky system, we give them a head start with germination. Use a diluted version of our plug nut soil solution to create a cozy environment for the seeds to sprout. Seed time. Planting the lettuce. Dreams. Gently place germinated lettuce seeds into the Kratky system's growing cups. Make sure the roots are pointing downwards. Keep an eye on them over the next 12 to 15 days as they sprout into little lettuce seedlings. Transplant time. Moving to the big leagues. Once our lettuce seedlings have developed a good root system, it's time to move them into the Kratky system. Introduce them to the full-strength plug nut soil solution using the magic ratio we discussed earlier. All right, now that our lettuce is living the good life in the Kratky system, it's time to talk about maintenance. We need to keep an eye on a few key things to ensure our lettuce is happy and healthy. First, check the electrical conductivity, EC, to measure nutrient concentration. Next, monitor the pH to keep it slightly acidic. Finally, check the parts per million, ppm, for nutrient concentration. Let's talk about those pesky critters that might try to munch on our lettuce. Hydroponics naturally reduces the risk of pests, but it's always better to be safe. Implement an integrated pest management system, IPM, using all natural ingredients. And finally, the moment we've all been waiting for, harvest time. Simply grab a pair of clean scissors and snip those crisp, delicious leaves right at the base. You can harvest the entire head of lettuce at once or snip off leaves as needed for a continuous supply. And that's it. You're now ready to start planting lettuce using the Kratky hydroponic system by Plantbox Innovation. So what are you waiting for? Grab your Kratky system, those plug nut soil bottles, and get growing. Happy gardening, and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks.